Hey, I'm Drew Jablonowski with Garage Gurus. I'm here at 2348 West 59th Street in wonderful Chicago with Dave Dougherty, the owner of Marquette Frame. Why do you get so much business here? What do you think drives people to come here, to come to Marquette Frame and Wheel Alignment?
Well, there's a couple reasons. One reason is the quality of our personnel. Second is the quality of the parts we use, of course. That's why people come back. We have repeat customers.
Another thing that I know you're a big fan of with DRiV is our loyalty program. You want to tell me about that at all?
Sure. The loyalty program is awesome. As being in it, you get to choose between items, as in stuff, clocks, signage, clothing, tools, gift cards. Everything is great. I can't say enough about the loyalty program in addition to already getting premium quality parts.
And I think it's amazing, and thanks for showing me the tour of your facility here, because you have just cabinet after cabinet of Moog, Monroe, Walker, Wagner. I mean, it's great how many of our products that you actually use here.
We have a reputation to uphold. And that reputation is more than just being personable with the customer and taking care of their needs. It's supplying them with a premium quality part like the Moog that we use for suspension, Wagner that we use for the brakes, the Moog driveline products like the axles and the universal joints. So that they know they're going to get the premium quality from all of the DRiV products that we use. And we know that that's what they're going to get as well. So it's a double, saver, that the customer gets something good and we get something good, because then the customer's not back complaining to us. My techs, they know that when they get a DRiV part, that again, there's durability and it's premium quality, so that they don't have to warranty it, because we warranty our labor for 90 days. We only put on DRiV parts because we want to avoid any issue with customers being mad of having to replace something, because that takes time out of their schedule every day. It's hard enough to find a minute to go get your car repaired, let alone go grocery shopping or whatever you have to do in your busy life.
Perfect, Dave. You got somebody here. We're going to get out of your hair, all right?
All right.